Let's try debugging move items and see if this helps us figure out what's happening. So go to item dropped and add a breakpoint right on move items and run it. Add some nodes and drag a node and drop it onto another node. All right, let's step on in and see what happens here. Maybe we'll figure out why it's deselecting via this process. All right, so we'll just step in and step out. We'll just see where this takes us. It's making another value tree. All right, we can step out of that. Still haven't gone into move. Oh, there we are. Now we're inside of it. All right, if items.size is greater than 0. Where's items size? Okay, we can look here. Items size values. Num used is 1. Okay, it's greater than 0. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's gonna get our size. Return value is 1. Okay, it's not helping us yet. Old openness. I don't think we're gonna need to know about that, so we'll just step over it. All right, let's iterate through all of these items and see what happens. So step in. Let's see. Parent is valid, and it's not our item. And new parent is not a child of this guy. Let's see what this does. Get parent. Let's see. Step out of that. Step into is valid. Let's see. Step out. Yes, it's valid. Okay, cool. Does not equal. Make sure it doesn't equal. All right, they don't equal each other. And is it a child of? No, it is not a child. All right, it's going to destruct. I think a temporary got created here. So step out. Let's step in. All right, if v get parent equals the new parent, it's going to do some weird stuff. Let's see. Step out. Step in. Step out. Step out. Step in. Okay, so I feel like it's not showing us at all. Let's see what this does if it does the remove child. Let's see what this, maybe this will take us somewhere. Let's see, get parent. Step out of that. We've got our parent. Step in, remove child. Okay. Let's see, we'll step over this. Let's do this object remove child. Operator. Okay. Remove child, index of, what is this? Get, this is taking us, just doing a bunch of step ins is taking us to a place that we are not trying to get to. This, I feel like this is not helping us. Let's see, let's step out of this index of. Okay, it gave us a value. All right, remove child. We can step out of this. We can step out of this. We can step out of this increment if not null. This is a bunch of like reference counted stuff that's not getting us closer to our goal. If undo manager is null pointer, okay, well we do have an undo manager for all of these moves and drags and stuff. So undo manager perform, add a remove child action. Let's see. All right, another reference counted bump. Step over that. Okay, add a remove action. Here's where it's creating the new one. This is not helping us understand what's causing this. All right, I don't think this is really helpful. Just stepping into all this stuff here. It's just like initializing all the members. Yeah, it's initializing all the members of that, of the child guy. So let's just step over that. Step over this child index. Is deleting. We'll just step over that. Step over this. All right, now it's going to do perform. If undo action is null pointer, or if new action is not a null pointer. It's going to make this. Are we performing an undo redo? Okay, what does this do? If perform. Target remove child. Okay, let's see what this does. All right, that took a while to find that. I think we saw this already. The undo manager is null, so it's actually going to do this part now. Okay. Step out of here. Step out of this. Step into this. Step out of this. Step in. Step over. Child. Children not remove child index. What does this do? Okay, so breakpoints aren't really helping us get anywhere for this particular problem. We took a deep dive into how move items works, and we didn't really even get to see what this line really does. We just ended up diving into a bunch of value tree initialization and all that kind of stuff, and copying around vectors and that sort of thing, and just a bunch of weird deep library code that doesn't help us understand what's going on with why our dragging and dropping deselects item. So let's try another approach, and that's using the debug or stdc out approach.